Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decor, and I hope you're all doing great. Well, it seems like forever since I've been on YouTube sharing some DIYs. I really just had to take a little bit of a break because I wanted to get some things organized at home with my daughter's schooling, as well as I wanted to do a lot of decluttering and just getting things more organized, as I'm sure many of you have been doing as well. So I also have only been going out probably every other weekend, as I'm trying to just limit the times that I go out to when it is absolutely essential. So today I did need to go out, and beside the grocery store is the Dollar Tree that I normally have been going to for the last little while. So I popped in there to pick up some staple items that I normally get in there, and I quickly looked around, but there really was not a whole lot of new items. In fact, I only seen a few new things, but I did take pictures and you would have seen those at the beginning of this video. And I just picked up again what I needed, and then a couple things quickly that I seen when I first entered into the Dollar Tree. But mostly this video was just to check in and let you all know that I am thinking of all of you. I thank those of you who are watching my videos from the past and leaving such wonderful comments. It really truly is such a highlight of my day when I read your comments and see all the beautiful messages that you leave me. I am so appreciative to every single one of you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So this Dollar Tree haul is really small, but again, I just wanted to check in and say hello to everyone. So instead of going or splitting the items up as I normally do, I'm just gonna jump right in here and show you what I picked up. So this is something that I have picked up before, but I did want a couple more of them, and this was the first time that I seen them back in at the Dollar Tree. So these are the MDF or particle board signs that have the metal on them, and you can see that the word coffee is higher from the decor piece, and the rest is just printed on. And then it has the metal on each side. So this one is Life Begins with Coffee. And then the only other one that I saw, I don't think there were any other ones, at least I don't think there was. The only other one that I saw that was like the coffee was this one that says So Fresh, So Clean. And then again, the word fresh is sticking out from the decor piece. So I was happy to be able to find those again. I picked up the garden dish, and I really like this one. The one that the Dollar Tree carried in the past was not as wide, and it was deeper, but I actually love this one here. So I was happy to see these. There were also a lot of succulents at the Dollar Tree, but I didn't pick them up this time because I still do have some at home that I would like to use, although I did use quite a few of the ones that I already had when I made the DIY. I'll link it in the description box below if you haven't seen it. And I loved how that DIY turned out with the succulents. So I probably will soon want to pick up some more, but I really just wanted to get in there, get what I needed, and then get home. So I'll probably definitely pick up some more though, because I did notice that they had some newer ones and they were really pretty. At the Dollar Tree, they came back with the MDF letters, and these are my favorite letters at the Dollar Tree. But when they do get these in, they go super quick, and a lot of times I'm not able to find all the letters that I need. So this time around I did find a little bit more, although there still was a lot of letters that were missing, but I do try to pick them up when I see them, because again, I just love the size of these, and I just love that they are plain. I remember when Dollar Tree first came out with the letters, they had the colorful ones with the floral prints on them, and those are really pretty, but I just like the sizing of these and that they are plain without any color or print on them. I came across this stuffed animal, and it was the only one that I saw. So I'm interested to know if any of you have been at Dollar Tree and have come across this particular plush. Normally the stuffed animals that they have tend to look like a cheaper plush animal, but this one here kind of reminds me of the, what do they call it? The Webkins stuffed animals. It seems like the same quality. The quality seems really, really nice. The size is very similar to the Webkins. And those ones I normally would find at Dollarama for $4. So when I came across this, I was really, really pleased. But again, it was the only one that I saw. So perhaps somebody had picked it up and then changed their mind and put it down at the last minute. But I think this giraffe is adorable. It has hearts that are in a darker pink, and then there's the lighter pink, and there is a tag on it, and the only name that I saw says Royal Specialty Sales, Toronto, Canada. But very, very happy that I came across this, because my daughter is going to love this little stuffed animal, and it is so squishy and super, super soft. Really, really nice quality. I then came across the Forever Young by Jean-Pierre Hello Spring, and I noticed that they have quite a few items with this name, and at first I wasn't quite sure what this was, and then reading the packaging, it says a collagen infused hydrating lip mask. So I thought, I'd never seen that before, so I thought I'd go ahead and pick one up. The Dollar Tree had these adorable earphone cases. So here you can see, you just place your earphones on the inside. I thought my daughter would absolutely love this. It is in the unicorn design, and there were some other ones. Again, at the beginning of this video, I did take a picture so you'd see the other ones that were there. I remember there was a panda, but I can't remember what else there was at this moment. So just check at the beginning of the video, and I did take a picture. But I think she'll absolutely love this, and I like how it has the little clasp on the side so that you could hang it on a purse or bag. So really cute. And then the last thing that I have to share with you, I was really excited to come across these window storage bins, and they are by Essentials. Now, I haven't even been watching Dollar Tree hauls, but I did see Bargain Bethany haul these, and the one that, and to be honest with you, I didn't even watch the whole video because I was in a bit of a rush, but I noticed in her thumbnail, she had the white window storage bin, and I think it had black lines, I'm not sure, but they didn't have any of those. They only had 4 of these ones here, and I only picked up the one, but now I'm regretting it. So hopefully when I go back, they will have some more of these, but I'm sure these were a hot item because a couple people in the Dollar Tree told me that they pick these up and they really, really love them. They're nice and roomy. The size of this is 12 inches in length by 9.375 inches width. So I should have just kept them in my cart, but I put them back because honestly I have so many bins that I just didn't want to grab a whole bunch more to add to the stash that I already have. But these ones are really nice because they are collapsible, and again, they are very roomy. Well, let me go ahead and open it up so you can see if you haven't seen these before. Okay, so here it is, open up, and yes, they are very roomy, and they're actually really, really nice. So hopefully when I go back, there will be some more of these. Perhaps I'll even find them in the white or cream. I'm not sure if they were white or cream, but again, you can see the size is really nice. These are a really nice find, a really nice new item at the Dollar Tree. If you haven't seen them before, then definitely look at your Dollar Tree, because I think if you pick these up, you will be pleasantly surprised at how big these are. And there is a wire at the top, so really, really nice. Well guys, that will do it for this really quick and simple Dollar Tree haul. Again, mostly it was just to check in and just let you guys know that I'm thinking of all of you. I hope that you're all doing well, that you are all healthy and staying safe. And again, I hope to be back with a DIY very, very soon. Until then, you guys take care. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video if you can, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always guys, again, take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.